and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices eased as traders focused more on concerns about the US economy than the start of looser monetary policy after the US Federal Reserve cut interest rates for the first time this year. The number of Americans filing new applications for unemployment benefits fell last week, reversing the prior week's jump. But the labour market has softened as both the demand for and supply of workers have diminished. The US SEC approved the first multi-asset cryptocurrency exchange-traded product in the United States, clearing Grayscale's digital large cap fund for listing. The fund will offer exposure to 5 of the world's largest cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, Solana and Cardano.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.